Hi everyone, welcome. It's Adriana here, and today I'm featuring another set of cards using the Elegance Collection from Couture Creations. I created these cards using the DL bordered collective of dies, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created them, but trimming them down to a size that's not DL, more of a 6-inch height card. We're having a bit of a bifold, so it opens up to a beautiful sentiment inside using the Elegance Collection ephemera pack with the foiled edging and the beautiful papers from the Elegance Collection. These are gorgeous foiled ephemera sets that are beautifully foiled, and adding word sentiments from the hot foil stamps just adds a touch of elegance to it. So this is one set of the DL sized border dies, and there is also another one. The one I'm using to create this edge here is this one here, which has got like a bubble, half a bubble effect, or half a circle effect. Now of course this is DL size, so you can use it straight away to create on DL size cards, which I have one here. This is exactly the perfect size for a DL card, and I have created some other cards that I'll show you later. But I want to show you that you can still use this die with a different size edging, and I'm actually going to cut onto a piece of cardstock to create a beautiful edge that is actually permanent onto the card, and then folded it to create a beautiful not concertina, but a nice double fold card. The two papers that I'm using from the Elegance Collection are these two here. I'm using the reverse sides. They're both the same design. One is pink and one is like a latte color, like a light coffee color. And that's what I've done to create and decorate the sides of the front of the card and also the three insides, leaving the blank, or the back blank. So this edging, I'm going to show you how I created that. So the cardstock that I have here is 12 inches by 6 inches. So you're just cutting a 12 by 12 in half to a 6-inch. You're lining up the DL die up against the edging, making sure that it's right to the top, firming in place with some washi tape, and also the edges hide the little loops. You don't want it to be overlapping, so it creates half a circle. Now you may have to do this a couple of times. I had to do it twice to get the right edging on it. Now I'm using the platform of my Go Power and Emboss machine along with the plates of the Go Power and Emboss machine, and I'm using the A plate, which is the white one, the C plate, and then the thicker, which is B plate, on top, and running that through my machine. This machine is fantastic for these dies, and you can use the smaller platform to run it through this machine, but you are going to, people who have the Go Power and Emboss machine will love these dies, especially for creating larger projects. So as you can see, I've die cut that out, and it's created a really nice edge, really simple, and you get perfect circles on the edges as well. I'm going to turn that around and do the other side, so I have them both with a beautiful edging. When you fold over, they both have that beautiful edge. And also I'm going to show you how I scored it. Now, depending on the size and how, I didn't put the measurements of the inserts because I think you need to measure that yourself, because you may be out by 1 or 2 millimeters. Now I'm using the mini scoring tool here that comes with a bone folder here, and once I've actually edged both of those with that die, I'm going to make 2 score lines to create the front and also the other flap for the card. Now just lining up those circles up against the edge there, and I'm going to just use the bone folder that's included with this scoreboard, and the first measurement I'm going to measure is 4 inches. So using the bone folder that's included in this tool just slowly running it down to 4 inches. Then I'm turning it around and scoring it at 3 inches. So they're the 2 score lines. And this is a great tool for doing smaller cards. There's also a scoreboard that is 12 by 12, but this is a great little tool to carry with you to crops and events and having it handy. So that's how I created the base of the card. Then I decorated each of those cards with those 2 papers that I showed you before. Now for this card here, I didn't put an edging on this one because you don't have to. I covered it with that beautiful coffee coloured paper, lacy paper. I used the embellishment that comes, there's 2 types of ephemera embellishments, or ephemera, and then I also placed it on my hot foiling machine with this gorgeous persimmon orange heat activated foil. I foiled the word birthday wishes straight onto that actual ephemera piece. I placed one inside as well and added some extra ephemera on top. This one here I foiled but also used the die cut to cut out the words sending love from all of us. So they're the 2 cards that I've created. They're really quick and easy, and using a couple of the beautiful new products that are available now from Couture Creations. The Elegance Collection is a wonderful collection, and it's been designed by the girls in the warehouse, Tanya, Megan and Kaylee. Well done girls, wonderful projects that can be created with this wonderful collection. I'd like to thank you for watching me, and if you like to see more, please subscribe to my video, and if you like this video, give it a big like. Please leave any comments that you may have down below in the comment sections. I have listed all the products that I've used for my projects here in the description below. Thanks for joining me here, and have a happy day. Bye for now. Please visit couturecreations.com.au for more inspiration with this wonderful paper collection.